Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make this creamy tomato basil pasta recipe. It's a flavorful and delicious recipe that's quick and easy to make. So if you're craving a creamy, rich pasta recipe that's ready in no time, this creamy tomato basil pasta is a perfect weeknight dinner that's comforting and full of flavor. With just a handful of ingredients and a few minutes, you will have a delicious pasta recipe. So if you're interested to see this recipe, keep on watching. To continue with this creamy tomato basil pasta recipe, we are going to get our pot ready with some hot boiling water. We're going to add a splash of sea salt, add our favorite pasta into the pot. We're going to set it to the side to cook while we get our sauce ready for this delicious pasta recipe. So we're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the pot. Minced garlic, saute for 1 minute until it's nice and fragrant. Then we're going to go in with our crushed tomatoes. So you will need 1 can crushed tomatoes for this recipe. Mix very well to combine the ingredients. Then we're going to go in with ½ cup of heavy cream. Now we're going to mix very well, guys. Make sure the heavy cream is fully incorporated into the tomato sauce. We're going to add our Parmesan cheese. And then we're going to give it a very nice mix. Sauce looks so beautiful, guys. It smells amazing. Now is the perfect time to add our pasta into the pot. We're going to lightly mix to combine the pasta into the sauce, just like that. To add some flavor to this creamy tomato basil pasta recipe, we're going to add a splash of brown black pepper, splash of sea salt, and just lightly mix again. We're going to add 1 handful of spinach, which is optional for this recipe, guys. So if you're a busy mom, this recipe is definitely a keeper. It's a quick and easy recipe, so creamy and delicious. We're just going to mix again, and then we're going to go in with some fresh basil. At this point, you want to make sure the temperature is on low. Okay, we're going to just mix in the basil into the pasta sauce, and that smells so delicious. I think the added Parmesan cheese gives so much flavor to this recipe. I love Parmesan cheese when I'm making my pasta. Okay, and that's what it looks like. We're going to add ½ cup more of Parmesan cheese just to add some more flavor to this recipe. And that's what our pasta looks like so far. It's nice and creamy, just the way I like it. And this is the final results. It came out absolutely beautiful. It was creamy and delicious. It was so satisfying and quick to make. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I hope to see you beautiful people in my next video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Take care. Bye, guys.